What's up, you guys? Just Martin here, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to be doing a little bit of an early kind of video. I really shouldn't be reviewing these right now. I should wait closer to Easter. But hey, stores have it, so I'm going to do it. So today, I am reviewing and taste testing Peeps. Alright? I don't personally like Peeps in general. Like, I think they're disgusting. I don't like the marshmallow. I don't like the little sugary flakes on the marshmallow. But as I seen them in the store, I'm like, where did all these flavors come from? I've seen only like the yellow original, blue original, but I've never seen flavored. I've never seen like so many colors. So today, I thought I would just review. You guys like to see me taste test, and you guys like to see my reviews. So let's do this. So the first one, I think we're just gonna go down. Actually, I'm gonna start off with the original. So let's get the original. I can't believe how many different flavors there are. So here are the original Peeps. They are the original Peeps. And I don't even like these, you guys, so I highly doubt I'm gonna like any of the other ones. Oh, I ripped that bag. Dang it. They smell like nasty. I even hate the way they feel. Like, I'm freaking out. Alright. This is its taste. Ugh. Yeah, I still don't like them. They're just so sweet. I hate marshmallows in general. Like, they're already sweet, but add that sugar to it, it makes it even worse. Yuck. Don't like it. Again, I'm gonna be rating these from the worst to the best. So we'll see how this goes. So I just tasted the originals just to get my mind and my palate ready for the rest to see what's better and what's not. Next up. And I don't even know what these are in order. I just grabbed them, stacked them in my pantry. So I'm just grabbing. From the top. There's a little tower over here. So this is the first one we're gonna try that are flavored. Pancakes and syrup Peeps, you guys. Ew. Ow. Ow. Jimmy Fallon, ow. So, pancakes and syrup. I don't even like pancakes. I hate pancakes, I hate waffles. So, this is I guess I'm picky. I never thought I was picky, but there's a lot of things I don't like. Right off the bat, I smell syrup. It doesn't smell bad. I like the smell of syrup, so that's cool. And these Peeps are like a brownish color. There you go. There's a peeper. So, pancake syrup Peeps. This is its taste. I hate the texture of marshmallows. You know what? Not gonna lie, it's not bad. Not bad at all. That blew me away. I feel like they're better than the original. So, that was actually okay. I wouldn't buy these, but they're good. So, all right, next up. Whoa, talking about changing the flavors. This one is called sour watermelon. So you go from pancakes and syrup to watermelon. That is sour. I don't see how they're gonna make this good, but we'll find out. I was surprised with the pancake one. Should I do this? Right off the bat, smells like a apple Jolly Rancher. Apple Jolly Rancher. That's what I'm getting. Ooh. The inside of these have pink in it. Look at this, you guys. As I ripped it, it has like a... Look at the pink. Look at that pink right there. Sour watermelon. This is its taste. Oh. No. Ugh. Nasty. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna get an instant headache from that. That was sick. I hated every second of that. Nope. Next. Ugh. I can't with these. Next one. Blue raspberry. Can you see that? Blurry, I know. Sorry, you guys. This camera sucks sometimes. Ugh. They smell good. Okay, I'll give them that. The color inside is white, just like the original and the syrup. Little blue one, little blue dude. This is its taste. Okay. You get the raspberry. And it's not overpowering. Like it's a subtle raspberry berry flavor. I don't hate it. Ah! It stings your tongue. Ah! So definitely not the worst. So far the worst was that watermelon. Really nasty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Shit. Taki mushrooms. Next up. I think we have 3 left. And it is... Why, Peeps? Next one. Birthday cake. The cool thing about these, they have little like confetti sprinkles on them, but I hate birthday flavored stuff. The only kind of birthday confetti I like up in here is the Pillsbury dough cake. The cake that you can make, the confetti, that's bomb. Ooh. Smells like cupcakes. It smells like a cupcake candle, like a vanilla candle. A vanilla cupcake candle. They do have the little freckles on them, the little specks of rainbows, which is magical. And there's the specks of the rainbow. Birthday cake, Peeps. This is its taste. Nope. Hell to the no. I'm so glad there's only 2 left. You can't take it. I hate marshmallows. I didn't care for it. It tasted like the original Peep, but with a slight hint of cake batter, which you would think it would be really good, but I don't like it, and I feel like I'm getting a cavity now. All right, next up. Okay, next up, with blue little flakes on it, cotton candy Peeps. Damn, I'm telling you guys, I'm getting a headache. I can't eat too many sweets. I don't like sweets. Smells like cotton candy. The inside is pink, as well as the out. And has little blue speckles. Speckles. Speckle! Alright, this is its taste. No. It's alright. It's not as bad as the other two, but it's alright. That's all I'm gonna say. It's alright. Alright, the last one, you guys. I have no idea what it is. I'm not looking at it. But this is the last one. This is going to see if it's going to change my mind about Peeps. I don't think it will, but you never know. So here we go. Girl, boy. I like the packaging, I must say. This is the most vibrant packaging I like. But here it is. Fruit Punch Peeps. I'm really hoping it tastes like fruit punch. I love fruit punch, the drink. I love juice in general, so this might be a winner. Who knows? Sorry about my sniffles. I have the allergies. Oh, these smell hecka good. They smell good. The first thing I get, though, I don't get punch. Well, okay, I get, like, if you were to smell fruit, fruit punch, yeah, if you were to smell fruit punch, you'd get the hint of it. But I honestly thought of cherry for a second. So the inside filling marshmallow is pink instead of white, and it's all red. So this is its taste. Please be good. That was good. Oh, these are good. I like the fruit punch. Okay. It kind of tastes like Hawaiian Punch. It's really good. You know what? I like it. Again, I would not buy Peeps in general. Like, I wouldn't even buy this again. But to try it, it was good. I liked it. Woo! So, here it is. Alright, so the best of the best. Number 1, Fruit Punch Peeps. Try it if you come by it. You know, just grab it. They were only like $1.98, so it wasn't that much. But Fruit Peeps, I honestly liked. So this is number 1 for me. Number 2, I would have to say, the pancake syrup. Honestly, it was good. I liked the savoriness of it. It wasn't overpowering. It was good. For someone who doesn't like pancakes, very nice. So that's number 2. Number 3, raspberry. The blue raspberry. Raspberry was good. Raspberry's good in everything, honestly. Gum, suckers, candy in general. So, and ice cream. So yeah, this would be number 3. It's alright. It's alright. Number 4, the Orange. Okay, I don't like this at all. This does nothing for me. The flavor is just marshmallows caked on sugar. That's what I get from this. At least the other things had flavors, like you're like, oh yeah, that tastes like that. This, no. So number 4. Number 5, I would say it would be the cotton candy. It's good, I guess. It's not something I would buy ever, but it tastes like cotton candy, so I had to give it to that. Number 6, the cake, the party cake. Tastes like crap, but worse. Like the original, but worse. And the worst of them all that I could not stand, the sour watermelon. Tastes like shiitake mushrooms. Not really, but I don't want to get demonetized, so that's why I substitute the mushrooms for the, you know, you get what I'm saying. But this would be the worst. Don't buy these. Don't ever buy these, Peeps. See what I did, Peeps? You guys are Peeps too. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit that like button. Please hit that notification bell. Please, you guys, share with your friends and family for more content. Subscribe. And remember, you guys, don't be a lemon. Be a rose.